Alrighty, so for this one, Wind in the Trees, what we're gonna do is find our two black keys. So for this one, use your number twos and threes. So we're remembering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, using 2, 3. When you find your 2, 3, find your two black keys on this one. A good way to practice is you can go just back and forth on this one. For the wind in the trees, that's exactly what we're gonna do for the left hand. Is kind of just go back and forth. So again, 2, 3s for your left hand. Find your two black keys on these ones. This is your hand position for this one, twos and threes. For a good practice with your left hand, go back and forth, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Just kind of go back and forth between those, getting familiar with playing those on those two black keys. With your right hand, use 2, 3, play those together on this one. The left hand, back and forth, together, back and forth, together. And those are some good practice exercises that you can start with before you start this piece. So for this one, remembering left hand where it says LH, the notes that have the stems that are pointing down, you're going to play with your left hand. All the ones with the right hand where it says RH, right hand with the stems going up, you're going to use with your right hand. So with the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notes, all of those are going to be with your left hand. Use your 2s and 3s for those ones. These are going to be 3, 2, 3, 2, and then a hold on that one. Next one, these are going to be together. So notice you have two notes, those your two half notes that are kind of smashed together there for your right hand. Play those together, both your 2, 3 together. Okay, continuing, this is the same thing for 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Same thing, hold with your right hand, hold on this one. So that's the first line. We're going to go over it one more time. Left hand, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, continuing to the second line, notice we have it's a little bit more involved on this one. The left hand, use your 3, 2, right hand together on those ones back. Left hand, 3, 2, together. Left hand again, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so I'm going to go over this again all the way through. We're going to start with just the notes, and then we're going to go over it one more time with the dynamics. So again, find your two black keys. Left hand first. 1, 2, 2, bum, 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 2, 2. Alrighty, and then now we're going to do is do some dynamics. So on this one, it gives us a piano. We're going to play soft all the way through that top line. On the second line, you have a forte, and then you have a piano. So you have two different dynamic marks for this one. We're going to start forte for this one, loud, continue, loud, and then they give you a piano there. So then we're going to bring it down soft for those last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notes there, or yeah, those ones. Piano soft. I guess it'll be 7 notes. Okay, so we're gonna start from the beginning again. Piano, nice and soft. Loud, bottom, bum, bottom, bum, then the soft. 1, 2. Okay, so those are the notes for this one. I'm sorry, the finger numbers for this one. And then when we go to the duet, what we're going to do is for the student part, you're going to go all the way up, or you can place the two black keys way up here, or you can go even higher, the two ones. So if it says the special wind effect on this one, play the piece really high on the keyboard. You and your teacher may hold the right foot pedal. So what we're going to do is I'm going to hold the pedal down on this one just to give it some maybe a kind of a windy sound. So when you're playing the duet, go all the way up to the top on your two black keys here. You hear the very, very top two black keys. Remember to use your 2s and 3s on these ones. So same thing on this one. Remember to play your soft piano and then loud. 1, 2. Bum, 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 2. Loud. And then soft. 1, 2. If you'd like to play this together, this is your kind of beat, or imagine this as being your quarter note. Bum, 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 bum. Go ahead and find your hand position. We're gonna play these together. If you'd like to play this together, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll go together. 1, 2, ready, go, and then we'll go. Okay, hand positions again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. Bump, 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 2, bump, 2. Loud, loud, soft. 1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and play the teacher duet. So make sure to keep your hand positions on the top. We're gonna play these together, but I'm gonna go ahead and play the teacher duet right along with you. So when you're playing these, make sure to keep a nice steady beat. That's really important, especially when we're doing duets, so that we're both playing together with a nice beat. So this is what the teacher part sounds like. I'm gonna play it just really quick, and then we'll go over it maybe like one more time. So this one. So that's what the teacher duet sounds like. We're gonna go over it together with a little bit more of a beat. Find your hand position first if you're playing this together. 2 black keys. Okay. Kind of get your nice positions ready, hand positions, focus. 1, 2, ready, go.